Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how to make this beautiful card. So first let's have a look at the material required. So for this we need cake colors, white color sheet, double-sided foam tape, scissors, glue, quilling strips and black bangles. So first take a white color paper which measures 26 into 14 cm, fold it into half. So the base of the card is ready. Now mark the center, that is 7 cm, and make a rectangle like shape. Now just make random leaf-like pattern. Make these leaves pattern all around the rectangular shape. Also, I am drawing some cherry pollens near the leaves. So the drawing is complete. Now we will paint this using cake colors. And here I am using shades of green colors to paint the leaves. So just paint the leaves using different shades. Now paint the cherry pollens using dark red color. Now I am marking the boundaries using black color sketch pen. Now let's make some quilling leaves. So here I am taking light green color strip of 7 mm and making one loose coil. Now just pinch it to give a leaf-like shape. In similar way, we need total 5 leaves. Now attach all these leaves on an olive green color strip. So similarly, we need total 4 leaves. Now take a rectangular sheet of same size of rectangle that we made and make some small boxes on the strip. And now we will paint these boxes using different shades of green. Now I am sprinkling some black color to make some small spots on the sheet. Now just paste this strip on the card using double-sided foam tape. And now start arranging the quilling leaves one by one. Just paste their stem all together and then paste it on the card.